What is up, guys? I'm Alex Orchiez, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take product photos in snow. So I decided to come out here and get a few product shots for my client 710 Loudpack, and now I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So for those of you who don't know, 710 Loudpack is a little battery for vapes. The first shot that I got was right here in the snow. Placing it right there. Got a vertical shot for Instagram. Make sure that the branding is there. I put on the 24-70 f2.8 on the Sony a7R III. The first shot was probably shot at around 50 to 60 millimeters at f2.8, so I'd get a very shallow depth of field. The background was all blurred. It looked beautiful. All right, so for the second shot, I decided to use this wooden table here. Again, the 24-70 f2.8, and just kind of got a nice depth of field, got the background blurry. So then the next spot that I used was this brick wall here. This is right next to the fireplace. And I thought it was a very interesting composition because of all the bricks. Look at all that. So the last spot was right here. This is a lamp made out of antlers. Thank you for tuning in for this quick tutorial. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more content.